Furthermore, we have a Licenses page housing all project content, including photos, videos, and icons. The Figma template also features this page. The Animations page showcases standard animations, viewable in previews. These default animations include various entrance effects and opacity changes, accessible in the project's animation library, specifically under Interactions trigger. Additional animations for specific elements like FAQ collapse items or ribbons for marketing utilities are also available. These elements are essential and remain untouched. The most crucial part of the style guide is where we begin the Webflow template layout process. We encounter TheSprkl's standard colors, which we won't overwrite. Instead, we'll create an additional block for our required colors and proceed to eliminate unnecessary ones, retaining a template for reference. We'll then delve into variables, adding new color variables as needed, ensuring alignment with TheSprkl's design principles. Here, we remove all unnecessary colors, keeping just one as a template. We observe that we have 3 primary colors available: blue, violet, orange, and yellow. Okay, let's start by diving into the variables and adding a new variable color. What do we have here? Blue is in the local styles, but it's more convenient to take it from Figma. We add the color code, we have blue. Let's proceed. We have white. Orange is next, we have orange, and then yellow. We have yellow too.